Welcome to this segment on subject-verb agreement, also known as concord. A singular subject requires a singular verb, as in this case, whereas a plural subject requires a plural verb, as in this case. These examples are of course both simple and clear-cut, which is not always the case in writing, academic or otherwise. Take this sentence. Is the correct option makes or make, and why? The correct answer is make, since the head in the noun phrase is claims. The head in the noun phrase always decides whether the verb should be in singular or plural, as can be seen in these two examples. When it comes to collective nouns, they are treated either as singular or plural, depending on the notion of the noun in British English, and normally as singular in American English. The audience were refers to the audience as a collection of individuals, whereas the audience was views it as an undivided unit. In many cases, the distinction may appear subtle, but consider the following example, erroneously turned into plural. A coordinated subject is always plural. This is simple math. 1 plus 1 equals 2. If or is used, two singular components count as singular. 1 or 1 still equals 1. However, if the or separates one singular component and one plural, things suddenly become more complicated. What does 1 or 2 equal? Or 2 or 1? Generally, the verb then usually agrees with the component that is closest. Finite and non-finite clauses serving as a subject usually count as singular. Incidentally, if we use are instead of is in that last sentence, we change the interpretation of the subject from a non-finite clause to a noun phrase. Prepositional phrases and adverbs functioning as subject also count as singular. Thank you for watching this segment on subject-verb agreement.